Hi, a very good evening. Uh, Myself Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today, we are going to discuss about what is the supervisory control and data acquisition in integrated automation systems. Okay, so basically, in our integrated automation system, and in this video, we are going to see the both the PLC and input output devices, and then that means how we can going to interface our PLC and input output devices with our SCADA system and network applications of PLC, and then SCADA system and DC system too. Okay, so basically in SCADA system we have many kind of elements available. So first of all, in SCADA, HMI its functions, elements, architecture of SCADA, and then runtime functions, tag databases, recipe databases, alarm loggings, and the real-time databases, and then those things are we having in our SCADA system. Yeah, so all those things which is used for to monitor the data, to store the data for the industry applications. Okay, so basically SCADA is it is a application which is used for to monitor the all kind of industry operations, and then to store the data for the future applications. So we can for execute all those functions, we can use these HMI, and then some tag databases like recipe database, alarm logging, those things we can use it. Okay, like manage the information system and the report functions. So basically HMI. So HMI is a human machine interface device, or also we can call as a man machine interface, operator interface terminal, and then local operator interface. Those things we can call as in topology, derived from the two Greek words like topology, where it's used for to place of study. Okay, so that can be used for to know what are the HMI functions available. Okay, so basically HMI, it's a normal display which is used for to communicate the all those things, industry operation to person to machines. Okay, so it is a interfacing device between the person to machine. Okay, and then this term can technically be applied for any kind of screens, so most commonly is used for industry process. Okay, maximum the HMI which is for using for increase the productivity, and then for worker satisfaction, and then to facilitate the IoT things and data recording, those things we can use it. Okay, in your screen you can see, there are many kind of input output panels and input output switches in this our Siemens panel board. Okay, so for control all those things, we can use it all those input output devices, and then we have some communicating parts like interfacing parts also available to control all our actuators. Okay, so we have three kind of devices here. One is our HMI, and then the communicating part as an interfacing device, and then our end effectors. Okay, so we have two kind of supports here. One is a software and another hardware devices. Okay, so basically, HMI was structured as like said, as like shows in our screen, like HMI, PLC, driver, motor. Okay, so we have to give the data from to the HMI, and then we have to communicate all those data to through our PLC. It is a one type of controlling application, and then we can control our driver devices for controlling driver, for our DC motor, stepper motor, whatever we are using, and then all those things will be having a biased communication between the all those components. Okay, so it's a HMI is a centralized control unit for manufacturing lines, and then equipped with the data recipes, event loggings, and video feed, event triggering, so that it may access for the system at the moment for any purpose. Okay, so these are the some functions of HMI, like data input of display, and the real-time information display of operating status of system equipment, and then we can control the HMI by touch, and then by giving some instruction, and also we have some alarm processing and printing also available. Okay, so what are the industries are using HMI? Like energy industries, food and beverage, manufacturing industries, oil and gases industries, power and recycling industries, transportation industries, and then water management industries. Those industries are using. So all industries are which is, in HMI. We are going to control all those things by using some kind of system screen, and then by giving us signals by using system screen, we can control all those kind of industry operations. Okay. So you can see our industries, like what are the industries are using HMI in our screen. um, So these are the some important points of HMI. And on the next video, we can see our what are the remaining things we'll be having about HMI. And then so in our next video, we are going to see the 5 reasons of you need to know about the we need a HMI. So we can see that those things are on the next video. But before that, in this video, we have discussed about what is HMI, why we and then what are the industries are using HMI. Those things we have discussed. And then what are the specific elements are which is available in HMI, and what are the function of HMI. Those
Right back to